Are you in the market for a budget-friendly iPhone packed with powerful features? Apple enthusiasts, get ready, because the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 5G is almost here. This next-gen SE model will replace the iPhone SE 2022 after a 3-year wait, and the leaks suggest that Apple is aiming to redefine what a budget smartphone can deliver. In this article, we'll dive deep into the iPhone SE 4's design, specs, camera, processor, battery, price, and launch date. Let's get started. A fresh take on design. Apple's iPhone SE 4 marks a departure from its predecessor's design, drawing inspiration from its flagship siblings. Leaked dummy models shared by Sonny Dixon on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, reveal a premium build. This device is expected to sport aluminum construction, offering both durability and style. The SE 4 will be available in classic black and white color options, staying true to Apple's minimalist design philosophy. These clean and timeless hues ensure the SE 4 appeals to a wide range of users, from casual smartphone users to those who want a sleek daily driver. Display. Big changes for a budget device. When it comes to displays, Apple is making a significant upgrade. The iPhone SE 4 will feature a 6.1-inch Full HD plus LTPS OLED screen, providing vibrant colors and excellent brightness for an immersive viewing experience. The display will support 60 Hz refresh rate, which, while not as fast as the promotion displays found on higher-end iPhones, still delivers a smooth performance for the price range. To ensure durability, Apple is equipping the display with ceramic shield protection and an IP68 rating, making it resistant to scratches, water, and dust. Additionally, Face ID support makes its debut on the SE series, marking a shift from the home button and Touch ID setup of earlier models. This inclusion adds convenience and enhances the premium feel of the device. Camera. Elevating photography. Apple is taking the camera game to the next level with the iPhone SE 4. Leaks suggest a 48MP rear camera, a massive leap from the 12MP sensors found in previous SE models. This will bring exceptional clarity, enhanced color reproduction, and better low-light performance. For selfies and video calls, the 12MP front camera is designed to capture sharp, vibrant shots. This setup will cater to content creators, social media enthusiasts, and casual users alike, providing quality that rivals much pricier smartphones. Performance. Power meets efficiency. The iPhone SE 4 will reportedly be powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chipset, the same silicon found in the iPhone 16. This next-gen processor guarantees lightning-fast performance, energy efficiency, and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running productivity apps, the A16 chip ensures the SE 4 can handle everything with ease. This makes it one of the most powerful budget smartphones in its class. Moreover, the SE 4 will debut with iOS 18.3, giving users access to the latest features and updates in Apple's ecosystem. Expect smoother animations, better app compatibility, and a host of new functions optimized for this device. Battery life. Charging ahead. Battery performance is a key aspect of any smartphone, and Apple hasn't cut corners with the SE 4. Equipped with a 3,279 mAh battery, this device promises all-day usage, even for power users. Charging will be a breeze thanks to the inclusion of a USB-C port and 20W fast charging support. Whether you're refueling during a coffee break or at the end of a long day, the SE 4 will be ready to go in no time. Price and launch date. The iPhone SE 4 is poised to make waves in the budget smartphone market with an expected starting price of under $500. This aggressive pricing strategy ensures it remains accessible to a wide audience, including those looking to switch to Apple's ecosystem without breaking the bank. As for the release date, sources suggest a launch in April 2025. This aligns with Apple's tradition of introducing SE models in the spring, giving fans something exciting to look forward to. Why the iPhone SE 4 stands out. Premium features at an affordable price. Apple has struck a balance between affordability and performance, delivering flagship-level features like Face ID, OLED displays, and a powerful processor in a budget device. Compact and durable design. With its aluminum build, ceramic shield, and IP68 rating, the SE4 is built to last while maintaining a modern and sleek appearance. Enhanced camera capabilities. The inclusion of a 48MP rear camera brings pro-level photography features to the SE lineup for the first time, making it a standout option for shutterbugs. Next-gen performance. The A16 Bionic chipset ensures the SE4 remains future-proof, capable of handling software updates and high-performance tasks for years to come. Value for money. Priced under $500, the iPhone SE4 is a steal for anyone seeking Apple quality at a reasonable cost. Final thoughts. The iPhone SE4 5G is shaping up to be a game-changer in the budget smartphone market. With its sleek design, impressive specs, and affordable price point, this device offers unparalleled value. Whether you're upgrading from an older iPhone or looking to experience Apple's ecosystem for the first time, the SE4 is a compelling option. Stay tuned to Technology Review for more updates, leaks, and in-depth coverage of the latest tech. Be sure to subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below.